Tired of your WhatsApp messages failing to send because your Aisensy credits are running low? Let's get you back in action with a quick and easy Aisensy account recharge. First, log into your Aisensy account. Once you're in, navigate to the billing or recharge section. Usually, you'll find this under Account, Settings, or something similar, often labeled clearly as billing or recharge. Here, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Aisensy typically supports several options, including major credit cards like Visa and MasterCard, PayPal, and potentially other local payment gateways specific to your region, offering flexibility in how you top up your credits. Choose your preferred payment method. If you're using a credit card, carefully enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any processing errors. Next, select the amount of credits you want to purchase. Aisensy usually offers various credit packages to suit different usage needs. Consider your typical message volume and choose a package that fits your requirements. Review your order summary carefully. Double-check the amount and payment method to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the Confirm or Pay Now button to proceed with the transaction. Once the payment is processed successfully, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your Aisensy account has been recharged. Your updated credit balance should also be displayed, and you're all set to continue sending WhatsApp messages.